What's going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUN RNEWBBQ. Y'all probably wondering where I've been. Well, we're in Bill Gates Blackout 2023. You see, I live in a very poor rural community. We do not have fiber run through our parish. We do not have the money to match the state or federal dollars to get fiber lines run through the parish. You see, in the country that we live in, you have to be able to match state and federal dollars to get the companies to run the lines through your parish or county. That's as per federal regulations. So you have to either get satellite or do your phones. And well, we are in blackout mode right now because nothing's working. So probably Bill Gates. Or is it Al Gore? Because he created the internet. Who knows? But anyway, if this gets posted before Easter, maybe you might enjoy this recipe. Because today we're doing up hot honey glazed ham. Yes, folks, there is a lot of honey glazed hams recipes out there, but this one is a hot honey glazed ham. We're doing it up with some chili infused honey. We also gonna hit it up with some Meat Church honey hog rub. Stick around, folks. We're gonna get right to this. All right, folks, we've got our ham out of the packaging, patted it dry. Now we're going to use my bad shoulder still, because one ortho told me to just live with it. So we're going to go to another ortho, and hopefully they'll do something about it, because I'm 39 years old and I'm not going to live with my shoulder being jacked up. Not going to happen. So we're going to go ahead and cut some scores into this ham. Go ahead and start slicing in some gouges. Try to make a diamond weave pattern into this. You don't want to go too deep into it. About maybe a ½ an inch in there. Now, I've got my pellet smoker up to temp. We're running at about 300 degrees. You want to get it up to about 325 if your grill gets up to that temp. Mine does not, so we're doing 300. Now, we're going to go ahead and put on the Meat Church honey hog rub. Go ahead, try to open up these pockets. Get that rub deep inside. Now we will flip this over and get that bottom side. You want to get this ham up to a nice 165. So it will take a little bit of time because it does take 15 minutes per pound. So however many pounds you got to do, that's how long you got to cook it. Each ham is a little different. I will be using the MEATSTICK Mini to temp it along the way. You go ahead and you set it up on your phone, and you just go ahead and insert this into the deepest part of your meat, and it temps it along the way on your phone and buzzes you when you get to be about 15 degrees out, and then it buzzes you again when you are ready to go. I'll wash it off before I go ahead and put it back on the charger and get it all set up. All right, our grill's up to temp. We're gonna go ahead and put that ham on the smoker. There we go. It's gonna take a little time, so we're just gonna go ahead and sit back, relax, and let it do its thing. All right, we are almost there, so we're gonna go ahead and throw down some of that hot honey. This has some chili infused on there. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and pull this off now. I got a huge spatula. And here we have it. Nice glaze, beautiful color, smells great. We're gonna cut into it real quick. Of course, gonna use that bad shoulder. Cut off a nice good chunk. Just look at that, folks. Beautiful. So good. Nice and smoky. Nice and honey. Got a little bit of heat, not overpowering. Didn't put a lot of that hot honey on there. Just a little bit of a touch of it. So good. Like what I'm doing, folks, you know what to do. If you're able to see this, thanks to the blackout. You have a good day.